Today we're gonna, this is what we do. We change Jim's dressings. He's got that hole in there that we have to provide a wick. And to do so, we're removing this one. And you can see there's little drainage yet. And then pull the wick out from yesterday out of the hole. And I've saturated the, I don't know if you can see that, saturated the gauze with saline. And I just take a corner of it and poke it in with the end of a Q-tip into the hole. And make sure I get it in there good. Then I just hold that there. Then we put a dry 2x2 on top of that. And then we take a 4x4 and fold that on top. Save the other one for the next time. Then we cover it with an ace pretty much just to hold it in place and provide him with support. It's a nice Velcro one. Not too tight because he gets itchy. And you should see his apparatus for the arm. He's got a little flab here now. Anyway, his apparatus looks like he's a RoboCop. And there we go. It's all changed.